Show that sine 2x plus sine 4x all over 1 plus cos 2x plus cos 4x is equal to tan 2x. For us to show this, it is very easy if we make use of the side which is not highly factorized. You see that we can make use of the left hand side because it is not factorized. We take solution. Before answering this question, let's recall the following. The sine of A plus B, where A and B are two angles, is simply equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. The cos of A plus B is simply equal to cos A times cos B minus sine A times sine B. The sine of 2A is simply equal to the sine of A plus A, which is simply equal to sine A. Making use of this our formula, we are going to replace B with A, cos A plus cos A sine A. And this will simply be equal to sine A cos A is the same as cos A sine A. Adding these two terms gives us 2 sine A cos A. Then we should recall this. The cos of 2A is simply equal to the cos of A plus A, which is equal to cos A cos. We are going to replace B with A minus sine A sine A. And this will be equal to cos A times cos A gives us cos squared A minus sine A times sine A gives us sine squared A. And we know this identity for trigonometric ratios. You know this trig identity. It says that the cos squared of an angle A plus the sine squared of the same angle A is equal to 1, where A is any angle. This will imply that if we make the sine squared of the angle A the subject of formula, this will give us the sine squared of A to be equal to 1 minus the cos squared of the angle A. If we choose to make the cos squared of the angle A the subject of formula, then this will give us cos squared A to be equal to 1 minus sine squared A. We are going to make use of these identities we see here to perform this proof. Sine 4x is simply the same as the sine of, if we divide 4x by 2, it gives us 2x. So if we take 2x plus 2x, it gives us 4x. And this will simply be equal to, by making use of this will give us 2 sine 2x cos 2x. We are going to replace A with 2x. 2 sine 2x cos 2x. If we take the numerator, we have sine 2x plus sine 4x. This will simply be equal to sine 2x plus 2 sine 2x cos 2x. And this will be equal to, you will see that sine 2x is common. We are going to factor sine 2x times 1 plus 2 cos 2x. Now if we take cos 4x, it is simply equal to the cos of 2x plus 2x, and this will simply be equal to, we are going to make use of this, we are going to replace a with 2x. This will simply be equal to cos squared 2x minus sine squared 2x. The next thing what we are going to do is we are going to change sine squared 2x to be in terms of cos squared 2x, and this will simply be equal to cos squared 2x minus, we know sine squared 2x plus cos squared 2x is equal to 1. Let me write it down. Plus cos squared 2x is equal to 1. If we make sine squared 2x the such a formula, it will simply be equal to 1 minus cos squared 2x. We'll replace it here with 1 minus cos squared 2x. This will be equal to cos squared 2x. We expand this bracket. Negative 1 times 1 gives negative 1. Negative 1 times negative cos squared 2x gives us positive cos squared 2x. And this will be equal to cos squared 2x plus cos squared 2x gives us 2 cos squared 2x minus this one. At the denominator, we have 1 plus cos 2x plus cos 4x. This will simply be equal to 1 plus cos 2x plus, we are going to replace cos 4x with 2 cos squared 2x minus 1. 2 cos squared 2x minus 1. 1 minus 1 will give us 0. This and this will strike off. We will be left with cos 2x plus 2 cos squared 2x, of which cos 2x is common. We are going to factor out cos 2x times 1 plus 2 cos 2x. Now let's take the left hand side. We have a sine 2x plus sine 4x all over 1 plus cos 2x plus cos 4x, and this will simply be equal to, at the numerator, sine 2x plus sine 4x is simply sine 2x times 1 plus 2 cos 2x. At the denominator, 1 plus cos 2x plus cos 4x is simply cos 2x times 1 plus 2 cos 2x. 1 plus 2 cos 2x at the numerator will strike off 1 plus 2 cos 2x at the denominator. This and this will strike off. We will be left with sine 2x all over cos 2x. And this will simply be equal to, recall that if you have the sine of the angle A all over the cos of the angle E, this will give you the tangent of the angle E. Sine 2x all over cos 2x is simply equal to tan 2x, which is what we are to prove. We are done with the solution. If in case you have any questions, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.